3 2 1, here we go. Okay, I think today it's little weather is a little hot and I'll get a little bit of sweat. I don't know. Okay, let me see if it's working. After that, we'll 3 2 1, here we go. Okay, it's working. Perfect. Yeah. So hi. I hope my screen is visible. And if you know, last time I was trying to solve this problem and I was very desperate to solve and so that I can sleep peacefully. But sometimes it's good to take one step back and then start it from the new perspective or from try it again. So thank you so much if you're watching here. Okay, let me tell you about me. So I'm on a mission to learn. Okay, I don't know why it looks like my I have a dark circle, bro. Really? And once I'm wearing the glasses, it feels like these are uh, getting darker. Dark circle getting darker. Okay, so okay, let's be serious. Yeah, I'm a very serious person. Okay, so I'm on a mission to solve the DSA consistently until I will not finish all the DSA problems, and there are so many problems, so I can't say like if you know there is the, I don't know what is the meme. There is a meme. This is so beautiful. I don't know. Huh? Okay, so I'm just trying to be little funny version. Hey, why this light is flickering and it is disturbing me? Hey, will you stop? Stupid fool. Sorry. Okay. So today, like yesterday, not yesterday, day before yesterday. So we started with you can say binary search. We completed array problems and now we are in the we are solving the binary search problems, and we have covered so far section 1 and now we are in the section 2. And yesterday I tried to solve a few problems, and now one of the problems was where even I, after watching the solution, I wasn't able to solve it in a proper way. So today I'm going to solve it again with a better approach and better to see all the corner cases and all. Okay, so let's jump to the problem first. So what is the problem, bro? So problem states that where is it? I think I need to refresh the page, then only I'll get to know. Okay, now everything is perfect. So given integer array nums, okay, so we have an integer array nums and that is sorted. The problem is like here may contains duplicate values, and if there are duplicates then you can't decide based on the last value at the both side whether it is in the sorted part or it's in unsorted part. So that's why we need to make few changes. And if you know why camera is little at lower angle, because once I'll start writing something, it's very difficult to show my be on frame. Okay, so we have a sorted array. May contain duplicate values and target value k. Now we need to find whether target value exists or not. If not exists, just return you can say just return the false. Okay, either true or either false. So these are the two accepted values, and we have a number, we have array. And when I was watching solution, it says that it's not difficult, but it's impossible to get the solution without trimming down the solution. You can say without trimming down. Where is my solve it on paper? Yes, pretty simple. Okay, pretty simple means what do you mean? Quick time player. Let me open it, and here we go. No, not at all, bro. Why are you? I'm just trying to close you, but still you are disturbing me. Okay, it will open it. Okay, great. So far so beautiful. Okay, so we have a problem and we need to fix for it. So 7 8 1 2 3 3 3 3 7 8 1 2 3 3 3 4 5 6. Okay, if you know k equals to 3, it was working. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. and these are the numbers. And if you know, we can solve it by this, but the problem is like, okay, so only the pending part was like if the numbers are matching. If so, we'll start with the start and end, and if mid is equals to, if we'll compare, if nums of mid equals to k, that means return true. Else if nums of mid is equals to nums of start, and nums of mid equals to nums of end, that means you can say we won't be able to decide whether to move left side or whether to move right side. So what we'll do, we'll just chop the last two numbers, we'll try to trim down the last numbers. So we'll say just shrink start to start plus 1, so remove the last number, and also trim down the int to int minus 1. Okay, elif if nums of mid is greater than nums of start. So what it does mean? Nums of mid is greater than nums of start. That means this part is sorted. Okay, correct. And if this part is sorted, I just wanted to see if the numbers are correct or not. So let's say we have numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 3, and okay, 1 minute. I'm trying to create an example where 1, 2, 3, and here it will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And 0 as well. Now at the mid, it will be here somewhere. Suppose 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 even 9. 9 means 5, 4 and 4 half, so it will be here. So if you notice, it is matching with this, so we cannot say. If all are equal, then we'll say simply start end will be here, and we'll see again. These numbers can be trimmed down. These are not going to help us in making any decisions, so we'll trim down and then we'll say again. So okay, and we can say continue. AL if nums of mid is greater than nums of start. Nums of mid is greater than nums of start. That means this array is sorted definitely. Okay, so if this array is sorted, then we have two options. If the number is between these two numbers, I mean, yeah, if number k of nums is greater than nums of mid, less than nums of mid, and k is greater than nums of start, then end we need to shift it to -1. Else start equals to mid plus 1. Start is nothing but mid plus 1. We will just move to next array. Else k less than nums of mid. Bro, everything looks good for me at least. Okay, let me say continue. I believe here is the problem maybe. Submit. I'll try it once, and if it won't work, okay, I mean I need to watch the tutorial. I already watched the tutorial, but what is the problem, bro? Here I need to check it. Save midpoint to the points to the target, return true. Low equals to low plus equals to 1, high plus minus equals to 1, and continue. Great. Yeah, and it equals to n minus 1. Less than equals to array of mid. What the heck? What is wrong with my solution? is it because of this? You can say, really? K is greater than equals to mid and less than equals to end. Bro, what the heck? Am I missing something? I do not know. Okay, I'll feel overwhelming if I'll try to. Uh, for the time being, I need to just make a note. Not a section 1, it's section 2, bro. Keep in mind, where is your mind? Where you kept your brain? Okay, something is missing when I tried to solve it. So try to solve it again without uh, watching solution solution or hint. So we are good to go to next problem, that is third and a sort. Okay, let me do one thing first. I'll mark them in incomplete. Hey bro, stop it. Find minimum in rotated sorted array. Wow, it's easy problem, right? Easy peasy. So we have given an integer array nums of size n, great, sorted in ascending order with distinct values. Okay, distinct values, and then rotated at a known number of times between 1 and n. A known number of times. Okay. Find the minimum element in the array. Pretty cool. Let me see. First, if we are rotating it more than once, let's say we have numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we just broke it or maybe rotated it at this point. So what will be the thing? So we can say like we have 6. Now the numbers will be look like this. Bro, what is this? We will say, okay, now the number will look like this. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's say you rotate it at this point. Maybe let's say at this point you rotate it. Okay, then it will be again it will be like 9 will be here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and what if I'm rotating it at this point? So it will be like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. So always it will be there will be only 2 points, bro, irrespective of how many times you are rotating it. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Hey, it does not matter where you are keeping it. So something we got mid number. Okay, so we'll say, and our goal is to find minimum. So first thing is we'll say mid is minimum. Okay, so far. Wow. And now we need to check if mid is in the left side or mid is in the right side. Okay, so now we need to check whether mid is in the sorted part or in unsorted part. So we'll see how we can check it. Okay, so now thing is, okay, so I was just saying, first thing is we have an array and there are a few numbers like maybe let's say 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5, let's say, okay, we have these numbers. First thing is we'll get mid. So mid could be here or could be here. So we'll see. All the numbers are distinct, so we can say if mid is greater than start, that means we are in the left sorted part. Left part sorted. Else oh, it's flickering, bro. It's disturbing me. Else right part sorted. Wow, great. So far we can say if the left part is sorted, just we need to check. If left part is sorted, then that means this number is not the smaller one. So what we can do? It's great. We can say the what we will do if left part is sorted, then that means we need to check in unsorted. Okay, because we know sorted what will be the minimum value and mean will be you can say uh, array of start. So far we know that this is the mean of this, and if it's right part, that means right part will be sorted and the last number will be larger and it is smaller. Okay, that means we need to move to the left part, move to the left part, move to the left part, and answer so far will be mid only. Okay, great. So we got the intuition. So basically there are two possibilities. If we are looking, if mid is in the left sorted part, that means this is the largest number between start and mid, so we need to pick the start number. For example, if it is here, that means this number is smaller, so we need to pick this number, and we need to check in this number, this is unsorted array, because we know what will be the maximum value, minimum value in this sorted part. And if we are here, that means this is the smaller number and all the numbers are larger than this number in the right side, so we can say we'll keep this as a minimum and we'll see in the left side. So the algorithm will be very simple, and here just we need to make a little tweak. So you can say start equals to 0, end equals to len of array and -1, and we can say while start less than equals to end. So that means we have the numbers and mid will be nothing but start plus end by 2 to by 2. So if you can say, so now we got the number, and let me say answer my bad. And do we need to make changes? So if array of mid I don't know why it's hitting. So what happened to you? Why are you so hot? If nums of mid, So you can say area of mid is greater than or equals to area of start. That means left part is sorted. So we can say okay, what we can say, if not answer, then answer equals to mid, else you can say answer equals to min of nums of mid and nums of start and answer. That will be the min number, and here it will be answer equals to array of mid. Here why it will be mid? Array of start only. Okay, array. So just I'm curious to know whether so far we got this number, and in the next segment we need to check. Okay, yeah, we need to check, compare it. Else, that means right part is sorted, so we need to check. If not answer, then answer equals to array of mid, else answer equals to min of okay, min of answer and array of mid. And what will be the next step, bro? Here it is this same, and now we need to move to left part is sorted. That means we need to move to the right. So start will be mid plus 1, else end will be mid minus 1, end equals to mid minus 1, and finally let's return the result, answer. Okay, great. So I'm hoping like everything is perfect. As per my oil. Okay. What went wrong? Hey, what is wrong with it? Did I make any mistake? If area of mid is greater than area of start. Mid start plus end by 2. Okay. Area of mid is greater than equals to start. So min will be area of start. Okay, let me see what's wrong with it. I was expecting it will be very simple problem. 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the numbers, and we are looking for what is it is 2 returning expected 0. So you can say it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2, 3.5, and 3.5 is nothing but 3. So this number, so we'll see. So now we are going to judge. So this number is greater than the start number. Okay, if it is greater than start or greater than equals to start, that means we can say this number will be the minimum. So answer, so for 4, and we'll jump to this number from this till this. So 0 and 7, 0 and 7, we are at this location, and now we are again going to check. This is start, this is end. So we'll see. 0 plus 3, 7 by 2, no, 4 plus 7 by 2, 11 by 2, any, oh sorry, 11 by 2 means 5.5, 5.5 is nothing but 5. Okay, so we have 5 right now. So we'll see 5 number. What is the value? 1. So we'll say 5, and now we need to decide whether we need to move left, whether we need, or we need to move right. So we'll say start, so it's greater than start. Okay, that means this part is sorted. Okay, so just I'm curious to know. Okay, now we need to compare with this number, start, then 0 and 1. So yeah, this part is sorted, you can say. So we will discard it, and it will say like, okay, this part is okay, good. But no, we need to check with 0. Okay, got it. Earlier I used to do that same. You can say. Yeah, but it's still, if this part is sorted, that means we need to check into the another part, and then what it will do? Start will be 0. Okay. Minimum of area of start and answer. Oh, but what's wrong with it? I mean, here logically it should return this one value only, right? When this part is sorted, that means it will just look to this part. 0 to 1, everything is okay. So we'll say like 0 is the smallest value. Else min and answer, min of answer and area of mid. Start and end. I'm missing something. I don't know. What went wrong, bro? Area of mid is greater than equals to area of start. No. If area of mid is greater than yeah, or equals to start, that means the number, these numbers are sorted. Zero 7 4 7. First is 0 and 7. Great. And after that, why 4 7? let me add as well as mid. Mid will be 3. So we compared 3. So it will be like area of mid is greater than equals to area of start. Yeah, area of mid is greater than equals to start. So answer will be start, and else answer will be area of start and answer, and start will be 1 plus 1. So 4 and 7. Yeah, 4 and 7 and 5. So 4 and 7 and 5, then 6, 7, 6. Why 6, 7, 6? 4, 7, 5. So when we have 4 and 7, start will be 4 and end will be 7 and mid is 5. 4 is 0. Area of mid is greater than or equals to start. Okay, something I'm doing stupid here. Like we got 4, 7, 5. 4, 7 and 5. Okay. Now after 4, 7, 5, 6, 7, 6. Why is it went to 6, 7 and 6? That means it's moving to the right part. That's okay. That's okay. But when 4, 7, 5. Easily 0, 7, 3. Answer was none. So then 4, 7, 1, 4. Here what's went? Okay, I feel like here something is glitchy. Answer equals to area of mid. Okay, how it got overwritten with 6, 7, 6? That means it was 0, and when we again converted it. I think overriding or what? Else, man, it's very hard to debug sometimes. Okay, 0, and after that it overwritten with the array of start. So you can say 676. 676 means, oh, and answer is not. If answer is none, that's the problem where I think I made biggest blunder I'm doing. I'll always assume none is. Okay, let me do one thing. Answer is none. Answer is none. What the heck, bro? Submit it. That's why I do not know why I am making such beautiful mistakes. Are these beautiful mistakes? The simple problem took a lot of time, and the reason for that is maybe I'm not focused or what. Okay, but I'll do one thing. I'll take one more problem, or maybe let's see. I think I'm not focused, and once you are not focused, but bro, I cannot take break. Non-zero, no. Okay, today I just got to no non-zero days. 0 days or non-zero days. What are 0 days? 0 days means you are not doing something. For example, if I'll say, okay, my mood is not good today, and I'm not going to solve problems. So that's kind of day, but that's not going to happen. I'll solve 1.5 problem, but I'll solve daily. Okay. And these are very easy problems. Given an integer array nums of size n sorted in ascending order and order with distinct value. Okay, great. The array has been sorted. The array has been right rotated. Okay, right rotated an unknown number of times between 0 and n minus 1, including determine the number of rotations performed on the array. Okay, how will you get to know? Oh, number of rotations. Sorry, my bad. Okay. It will be easy. Easy peasy problem. Right rotated. Okay. We have a number like 4. Okay, sorry, my bad. Yeah, this problem is little new to me. Did I submit it ever? Hey bro, you submitted it in the past. Your history will be, if you know, when Mohan Singh said like, uh, I do not know about the public, but history will be kinder to me. So I felt like, okay, it's very deep masses and meaning. Sometimes people say, and basically you realize them once they are not. So I'm not very much fond of politics and all, but I feel okay, things are good and you should appreciate them if someone did something great in their life. Definitely they did. They are. He was a great politician. I do not know much. I do not know, but I feel at least it's politics, man. Here, no one's in me, and no one is no one's friend. Oh, I don't know. No one is in me. No one is friend. Friend. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the numbers that we have right now. And let me note down another example that is also here. So let's say 3, 4, 5, and 1 and 2. And if you see, this number is rotated 3 times. 2 to 4 times. Hey, what is the right rotation? You just split it this, right, this and this, and you got this number. So something clicked in on my mind. That means, yeah, I'm very excited to experiment with it. Sometimes that's why. So these are the numbers I can say for sure. And if you see the original array, it was something like this. I mean, what a color you are choosing, bro. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the numbers that were at the starting. So what it does, it just started adding it to the left, discarding from the right and adding it to the left, and so on, so on. Okay, great, pretty cool. Now the thing is, if you notice, we need to find out the point from where we can get. So can I say like we need to sum up all the elements where. So for example, can I say suppose I am at this location. So for sure I am in the right side of it. But when I am in the right side, uh, I won't be able to decide how many numbers are there, solid numbers are there in the left side. So what needs to be done? I can say these are the numbers, but bro, this is not sufficient for me. So now I know we won't. If this is we are in the right sorted part, that means we won't get the exact figure that we are looking for. So I need to go to the last boundary of it. Then I'll be able to get it. So what I'll do, first thing is I suppose I'm here. Then now I need to change my boundary from this number till here. Okay. So now we are in the unsorted part, left unsorted part, and we are always looking for left unsorted part. Our goal is to look for the left unsorted part or sorted part. It could be sorted part. If it's sorted, then we will just count them and we'll look for another left sorted part. Okay, until we'll count everything. Okay, suppose I got this left sorted part. I will always look into the. I will always go to the left part only. So no. That will be very confusing. If I'm the right sorted part, right sort. Okay, there will be two scenarios. I'm in left sorted or right sorted. If in left sorted, keep mid index mid as answer. I mean, I'm just looking for last boundary element. Okay, so far we have got this index and we need to check. So we have covered so far. So till now we have this number, and now I need to look for another number in the right part. So move, if in left, then move in left sorted, then move right and keep this answer. Else if you are in right sorted part, that means you need to shrink your observation point and keep move in left. So this is the option, and now I need to check it whether it's working or not. Logically it should work. Okay, let me do it. I need to pull this example first. Okay, so this is our example. I think I had made some mistake here. 4560123. The time I took to reshape it, I think I used it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the numbers. So start will be, I'm gonna write right side. So 0 plus 7 by 2, that is, I mean, 0.3, yeah, or 3.5, that is, that will be, sorry, my bad, 3.5, 3.5 is nothing but 3. And here we see 3. So we'll say, okay, bro, where are you right now? So it will say, okay, I'm in the left part. So, okay, let me do one thing. Answer, I'll keep it as a, like index, I'll keep it mid, and it will be 3. And let me make a decision. So now start will be here and end will be here. Start is here, end is here. So 4 and 7 by 3, 4 and 7 by 2. So 4 and 7 by 2, that is 11 by 2 and 10.5, you can say. So 10, no, 11 by 2 is 5.5. So 5.5, nothing but 5. So we got here. We mid was here, mid is here right now. And we'll see, bro, are you in the left sorted part or in the right sorted part? It will say, okay, I'm in the right sorted part. So that means I can't go to the right part. I need to go to the left part. So, and the answer whatever we have right now, I can't decide like this is the right answer. It could be boundary because I'm in the sorted part, left sorted part. So yeah. So now what we'll do, we'll move mid uh, to the left. Okay. Okay, mid will be moved to the left part, and that's great. So mid will move to mid minus 1, and here we'll say 4. So 4, okay, great. So now whatever the index, okay, we'll say, okay, this number is nothing but mid and mid both are equal, start and end. And can I say, if start and end equals to, so what we'll do, mid equals to start, that means it's same. So we'll say sorted part, that means it will move to the next step. uh, no, 1 minute. So start will be equals to 4, start equals to 4 and end equals to 4. Now I know these are the two numbers where we need to check. So if we'll compare it, start with mid will be the same. Start and in mid will be the 4, and if start and mid equals to same, so how can we decide it, bro, whether it's in the left sorted part or in the right? No, I can't decide. Based on this, we can't decide whether this number could be the max number, because if we compare it with the start number, definitely it's greater than that. It's equal to that. Based on it, we can say this is sorted part, and if it is sorted part, then simply move. So maybe when we are at the corner case, we need to check it. if the mid is equals to start, that means it could be a potential customer, but potential number, but we need to check if it is like if we are updating index, we'll check whether this number is greater than the previous number. If it is greater than, then we can definitely will consider it. And finally, whatever the index that we are getting, so it will be result like index plus 1, index is 3, index plus 1 4. Hey, but I don't know, I feel like somehow the algorithm is not proper. And is it true or it's proper? I do not know perfectly or what. Maybe let me think more. What if we are maybe right now here? So definitely we need to consider that corner case, okay? Maybe we'll do one thing. It could be the result, but we need to compare it. Like every time the number is greater than this or not. So let me do one thing. Start equals to 0, end equals to len of nums and minus 1 while start less than equals to end. That means we are performing loop. Mid will be nothing but start plus end. Start plus end by 2. Great. Now okay, if I do not know why I am doing this. Okay, here we do not need to check, we just need to check whether it's in left. If nums of mid is greater than equals to start, that means sorted part, and if it is we are in the sorted part, answer you can say answer is nothing but none. And so if answer is none, so simply what needs to be done, answer will be nothing but you can say mid, else answer will be okay. So here we need to take a decision, so we can say answer equals to if okay, mid if you can say nums of mid is greater than nums of nums of 0. Mid, what is the meaning of it? Nums of mid is greater than nums of okay, nums of answer. Then that means else answer will remain answer. And finally this is else what needs to be done, and here what are we going to do. So this part is sorted, so start will be mid plus 1, else end will be mid minus 1. Okay, just I'm looking for a corner case. What if we have the numbers like this? You can say we have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and now we are checking for 0, so it will be like 0. Let me say it. So these are the numbers. Now we have index 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and if we'll see all the numbers are sorted, and you can say 0 point, it should return 0. But when we'll do 0 plus 7 3, that means 3.5 is nothing but 3, so we'll point it to the mid number and we'll say Are you greater than this? This number is sorted. I mean, this area is sorted. Okay. So left part is sorted, we can say. So the right part is also sorted, but we'll move to left part only. So we can say answer will be you can say 3 so far. Okay. Okay, maybe let handle this corner case. Otherwise, I don't think we will be able to solve it if we do not have any rotation point. Then maybe we'll jump into this problem and we'll say okay. Okay, I mean 0 times means no. Okay, so maybe what I'm thinking, maybe if we do this, then it will be jump to this number and it will say okay, this number is this. Complete will be sorted. So maybe what I'm thinking, if we do not have any rotation, maybe let's say 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is the value that we have right now. And if we'll say, I mean 7 by 3 by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we'll do the 3. 3 will be here, and here we'll say like okay bro, you are the number that could be mid. Based on mid we'll say okay, this number is, so this part is not sorted and this part is sorted, so we'll discard it. And right now we do not have any answer. Okay, so okay, so we'll say like okay, we need to check into this part. So what it will do, start will be here, end will be here, start, end, and start, end. And now 0 plus 2 by 2, nothing but 0, 1. So 1 will be here and 1. So 1 will see 0, 1. It will be this number. Okay, mid. Now we'll say 0 is greater than 7. No. So this number is not sorted. So we'll say okay, we do not have any number result. Now we'll jump to this number. So okay, 7 greater than this. If we do not have any answer, then we'll say okay, this number could be. And if you see, I found one more corner cases. Or you can say if the condition is answer is none. Okay, my bad. If answer is not none, then we are covering it there only. So I believe now everything is okay, just we need to check one more condition. If you can say nums of 0 is greater than nums of minus 1 is greater than or equals to nums of 0, return 0. A corner case, so it will be, else we are just going to return answer. No, okay, return answer plus 1. Bro, why are you doing this? I hope everything is correct until I misunderstood it. Oh, my bad. I'm always doing this kind of stupid things. Maybe I'm used to this all. Oh fuck. Oh sorry. My bad. Okay. What could be the case where we'll get none? Oh my bad. What went wrong, bro? I mean, when answer. Okay, let me see it. So, what could be the worst case? If the nums of -1 is greater than or equal to nums of 0, that means all are the sorted numbers written this. Start equals to 0, this one, this number. 7, 9, 14, 10, -4 by plus 20, 20 this. Hey, what is this? So till here we have the sorted numbers in ascending order, and these are sorted numbers in ascending order. Now it is saying like it is not getting an answer none. Start less than int, mid start plus int by 2. If nums of mid is greater than or equals to start, what is start? Nums of start, bro. I mean, what is your goal, bro? I feel like you are just trying to solve the problems or what? I mean, literally. So I made a mistake, like I was. That's why I thought it's very simple problem, but still I'm not able to solve it. Then that's very strange. Strange, weird, vague. Okay. Shall I start it or maybe I'll solve it tomorrow? Better I'll solve it tomorrow, okay? Because I feel like I'm less focused on it today. Okay, so it's better I'll do it tomorrow. And tomorrow, if tomorrow won't come, I'll do it today. And tomorrow also it will be today. It would be today. Okay, thank you so much. And so, how many problems we solved today? I do not know. Yeah, but we made progress. That's great. Oh, yeah. Let's close it for the timing. I'm just planning to wake up early in the morning. Just planning. Sometimes it's very. So I need some sort of strong motivation to wake up in the morning. First thing is I'm going to bed a little late, and because of that, my complete, you can say, routine got disturbed, and I'm barely, if you can say, badly got impacted because of it, and I'm facing the consequences of it. So thank you. Bye bye. Good night, and keep practicing.